Good morning, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, we are good, we are good. We are just starts to drive now. So, no, we are going Kanyakumari because we thought we were gonna make it. Yes, we are going through that. But stay was really amazing, and the captain and the food, I don't have words. And the same for my wife, like Debbie. Oh, we really enjoyed it.
So this is our first stop today on the road to Kanyakumari. We were going for a long route with no vegetarian restaurants, and it was a disaster. We finally found one, and I am exhausted. See this from my helmet? It's too bad.
Meals, I don't know what is meals. Meals, parcel meals, special meals.
Okay, nothing specific.
No, they have to make. No, I mean meals they don't write.
Okay.
Otherwise, their side is like aloo fry, aloo masala, chili gobi, dragon, veg Manchurian, chili parotha, veg biryani.
I think we will find something for ourselves. Let's take a look together.
Too complicated.
Really complicated. They have meals like a thali, but it's so big. And I am not that hungry.
Half of uttapam I take, and you have dosa.
We can share it.
Yeah? Which uttapam? Tomato?
Like onion tomato?
Mix uttapam?
Mix uttapam.
Mix uttapam?
Yes.
I will take pista shake. Pista shake will be good.
Can be tasty.
Okay. Mysore or masala? Masala dosa, mixed uttapam, mango juice, and mango juice.
Pineapple is available?
Pineapple.
So pineapple.
Pineapple and pista shake. No? Shake maybe? No?
Orange or pineapple.
They have chai on the other side if you want.
China. 7 up. 7 up, yeah? Yeah. One masala dosa.
Gobi masala, paneer masala.
Only masala dosa. Only masala dosa. Mixed uttapam. Which was pineapple juice.
Two pineapple.
One pineapple juice, one 7 up. Yeah? So my mixed uttapam is arrived. And it really looks nice. Here is your spoon.
That much amazing uttapam I have
No,
never
really.
seen yet.
Beans, cabbage, not cabbage, cauliflower, I think carrot even. Yeah, really looks nice.
Looks really.
And they have 3 kind of chutneys. This is coconut, this green I don't know, and this red I don't know.
Pudina.
Yeah, green will be pudina, but this I don't know which is this. And sambar they give so small.
Nice chutneys. I started eating. It's really delicious dosa.
Yeah?
Yes, it's regular masala dosa, not Mysore masala, but it is a little bit spicy, so that's good.
Let me go in also.
Check your. I also have pineapple juice, which looks amazing.
Some sabji only. Literally sabji only. It's so thick. The spicy go. They throw this pudu.
Pudu.
That's why it's so spicy.
And here is my juice. It's really big glass of pineapple juice, fresh pineapple juice, really nice.
Yeah, I am regretting I didn't order juice. I ordered 7.
Yeah, you would be okay because this one is sweet.
That's why.
because for you who don't know, Hardik has sometimes acidity problem after orange and pineapple. So he was afraid of this. But now it's time for regrets when you see that much nice. So, Dosto, we left the Saravana Bhavan Hotel. South India is really amazingly hot. It's 3 p.m. now, finally it's getting a little better. But we are all like piggies.
Literally,
I feel like a piggy.
Feeling each and every body part have waterfalls. Not drops. Drops is small. Waterfalls.
I have drops.
I have waterfalls.
I'm a woman. I have to keep
Okay.
image.
Okay.
I need to keep the image.
I have waterfalls.
I have drops. But food was really delicious and pure
I
veg.
paid 420.
Oh,
It was nothing.
masala dosa, amazing mixed veg uttapam,
was amazing.
2
I
pineapple
never ate
juices.
that one.
Because they were giving delicious fresh pineapple juice.
Yeah.
So we took another one and shared it, and we still have 7-Up for later and water.
We took
So
it because that
awesome.
which we have it is from like 2 days and it's going just hot and hot and hot.
Now we must hit the road again, less than 2 hours, and we should be in Kanyakumari.
Yeah, it's something 2 hours.
So Dosto, we are getting new juice. We will be getting a juice from this new fruit. We've never tried it, neither of us. When we've been in Uti, we have seen this juice served in banana leaves. The vendors had banana leaves prepared in like a pouches, and they were pouring the juice in it. Here, Uncle has glasses. We will try how it tastes and if we like it or not.
They take out the inside.
Yeah, I see.
It's like this.
Like just this part is juicy.
Only this and it's not much.
Yeah.
It's really not much.
That's why he opened that many for two
Yeah,
juice.
only
I was
two
wondering
glasses.
that why that many.
I was expecting something else. Oh.
So we received something like this. So apparently it's like a dessert. How is it, honey?
I don't get it taste.
Weird? Now I will be trying mine. These are delicious. Some of them have like a
Because of the skin.
bitter skin, but other than that, it's delicious. And I believe we are just trying mangosteen.
Yeah?
I think so. If yes, then it is worth the price that he gave us in the beginning. But the bitter skin is too bad.
So much better.
You see, Dosto, this jelly clear part is really sweet and delicious. But then you have this white part, which is really bitter sometimes.